Welcome to this video, guys. Today we are on the beach and we are doing something that we have never done together as a family. I'm super excited because we are going to watch a rocket launch. So one of the perks about being a Floridian is that we do have these shuttle and rocket launches all the time here, and we never go to see one, so we are super excited. We found this beach where you can watch it launch and it should go off any minute now.
I'm so excited.
Hopefully, but you know, the only bad thing is that there's usually a lot of delays.
Wow. Whoa. You can still hear it.
I can still hear it.
That was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool. What do you think?
What do you think, Daisy?
That's crazy.
Is that crazy?
Yeah.
You can still hear it.
That was science class for today.
Yep, that's your science.
Yep.
You're
So
okay with
you
that?
learned something today.
I learned something. It makes crackly sounds.
Yep, rockets
What
make
are they
crackly
sending
sounds.
into space? I just told
A
you.
saddle.
A saddle?
A saddle? For
Okay,
horse?
may we need to work
A
on science a little bit.
saddle
A satellite.
Battleship.
Look how dirty.
Did you see the rocket go up?
I don't know. I don't know if she's playing the whole time or if she saw it.
Were you playing in the sand the whole time? You didn't even see the rocket go up?
I saw it.
You want to go to the moon?
No.
You don't want to go to the moon? How cool would that be? Mars.
Yeah, but...
That was so fast. It's like prettiest area to watch a launch.
I think so because you have this gorgeous beach right here. The girls are playing in it.
Yeah.
And you get to see a shuttle or a rocket or a shuttle launch all the time. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited about it.
Cool. Oh, time for the water.
But we forgot our bathing suits though.
I know.
Because we're in a rush this morning to hurry up and get here. We're like, we could spend the day at the beach. So I think instead, we're going to Disney World.
We're going to Disney? Oh. Do they know we're going to Disney? Look how dirty they are.
I don't think so.
I don't think they know, do
This might
they?
be an issue.
Will they let them in?
Hopefully, Disney's the happiest place on earth.
I made a slide for her.
Hey, did you realize we're going to Disney, right?
Yeah,
But
and
you-
Universal.
but y'all are kind of dirty. So, you think they're going to let you in?
Yep.
That was great, wasn't it?
It was, but everybody played in the sand or dramatically fell in the sand, and everybody's dirty now. And so
Yeah, my shirt's a little wet and dirty.
I'm running into Target to get some change of clothes, and I think we decided that we'll go ahead and stay the night, which we weren't planning on staying the night at the resort, so get like some toothbrushes and some essentials and things like that. So I'm gonna run in real quick and grab a couple things and maybe get John some male glasses because he stole a pair of my glasses.
You don't like my glasses?
They're my glasses. I bought them yesterday and someone's already claiming like, oh, somebody's in better mood now.
Hey, I thought you were sleeping.
I'm getting your white.
Whatever. Blonde. And we have made it.
We made it to the Magic Kingdom.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It is hot today, isn't it, Briar?
Yeah, it's hot.
Would you rather be at the beach?
No, I think I'll rather be here.
You'd rather be here?
Yeah.
Guys, did a lot today, huh?
Yeah, we have.
We are on Main Street. I see the castle.
You see it?
My happy place.
Yay!
Yay!
It's really bright now.
It is very bright. It's very different. I'm still trying to get used to it. Oh,
Yeah?
Main Street Bakery. That's where we want to go.
Oh, okay. Let's go there. All right, what are you looking for?
Treats. Halloween treats.
Halloween treats?
I'm willing it to be cooler and feel like fall.
Are you going to find any?
I hope so.
Yeah. There's pumpkins here. All right, so you struck out?
They don't
here?
have the Halloween stuff yet.
No Halloween treats here?
No cupcakes, donuts,
Nothing?
nothing.
Nothing at the bakery?
No cakes. No.
All right, gotta keep trying.
Drinking while stationary.
Did you just ask for a stroller? Aren't you too old? Are you that time? What time did you go to bed? What time did you go to bed last night?
I want a stroller. One something, I think.
One something. Do you hear that?
That is way past your bedtime. You know
That-
that.
I don't have a bedtime.
Oh, yes, you do.
You hear that? She don't have a bedtime?
She's
Yeah,
trying to
I don't have
rebel.
bedtime.
She's rebelling and she's not even 8.
So we're still on hunt.
I'm striking out. I'm trying to look for my Halloween treats, and I'm hoping that'll bring some cold weather in.
It's too early.
But
It's not Halloween yet.
No cold weather. I want the cold
There's
weather.
no pumpkin spice.
I want no. I think that they had the milkshakes already, so I'm gonna get my
No.
pumpkin. Yes, I'm gonna get my pumpkin spice milkshake. They have it over here in Tomorrowland.
It starts like in October.
No, I'm getting it. I'll show you. You'll find out.
What do you think? Is it gonna be there?
Yeah.
No. No.
Yes, I'm gonna make
Yes?
it bigger.
Yes and a no? Okay. No, I see vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. No, no pumpkin. I don't
That's
see
not
pumpkin,
right.
right? Huh?
They have no pumpkin.
I
Fire
can
Rose
feel
cares.
Butterface.
Fire Rose.
Are we walking? Oh, I think we're walking. Oh, and you broke your flip flop.
And I broke my flip-flop.
So what happened? What happened here? Huh?
I'm down. And they don't
Oh.
have any shoes in there really, so.
Oh no, you
Alright.
broke it.
Here's my solution until I can get to a
Oh
gift store.
no, broken shoe.
I got hair tie and I'm tying this.
How are you gonna walk around the park like that all day?
I'm gonna.
Man, you're gonna walk around the park like that all day long. Wow, is that gonna work? What is that? All right, let's see you walk.
I mean,
What do you think? Oh, it's working.
I can wear this to a gift store at least. I mean,
All day. Is that gonna work?
All day.
Yep, all day challenge.
I don't think
Can you
it
walk
lasts
around like that
day.
all day challenge?
No.
Yep. That's a challenge, you gotta do it.
Oh, I have to do it. Yeah.
All right, let's try to find more desserts or treats.
And flip-flops.
Are we gonna be able to find anything Disney treat today?
Halloween
theme.
Yes.
Where?
I found clothes that are Halloween.
No, no, you can't eat clothes. Treats.
Great.
All right.
I found
Okay.
candy corn.
Candy
I'm
corn.
not allergic to it.
She's not allergic to candy corn.
So you're gonna find treats here?
The Cheshire Cafe and it's closed.
Oh, what are we gonna get here?
Wait, oh, there's like this little cattail thing I think it's called.
Yeah?
But and it's very cute and Halloween. But look, I can read. Aren't you glad I can read?
Uh-huh.
Read it.
So you struck out. I don't think there's like Halloween treats around here anywhere.
Yes, there is. I'm
No.
searching. I'm looking on the
So
app
it's
now.
too early.
Wait,
Way too early.
wait.
Well, we're like barely in
This
September.
Cheshire Cafe cattails are located at Cosmic Ray, right over there.
Is that considered Halloween?
I'm gonna take it as Halloween.
You are?
A cat and cats are like Halloweenish, right?
I gotta see them first.
It might be a stretch. It's good.
But I gotta see if it looks Halloweeny.
Ooh, there's s'mores too.
Does it look like Halloween?
Yes, it looks like Halloween.
Okay, let me see.
It's pink and purple and Halloween. It says Halloween.
Okay. All right, so you found something.
I found something.
And it's got, kind of looks like
It'll be Halloween. It's Halloween. It's cat. It's Halloween.
So we have found one so far?
We're doing good. We got this.
So we found one dessert.
One dessert, but that counts.
Yeah?
It makes me happy. Warm.
Cattail. Do we? Whoa.
I don't know. I want it.
What?
It has gluten.
I want it.
No gluten. No gluten for you.
What does it look like? I want to see the
Oh, hold on.
prettiness before you destroy it.
It's
Is it
like a
pretty?
pastry.
Oh.
Aww. Good try.
All right, how is it? Let's see.
A little hot.
Hot? Oh, that's real hot. Oh, now you get it on your shirt. You look like a mess. Your fingers, your shirt, everything. You're falling apart.
I am falling apart. My
Shoes.
shoe. I will find more Halloween treats.
But we gotta go to the store.
Yes, because
You're like hopping there, like
I'm tripping.
tripping.
I'm tripping from this.
Yeah?
So, yes, I'm trippy. So, and I like these flip-flops too, so hopefully maybe I can find some cute Mickey ones.
Kind of look like you're limping.
I am lumpy.
I see a bunch of Halloween. Ooh, look at this. A Halloween wreath. Ooh, a pillow.
I have
Nice.
Halloween props now.
Ooh, look. What is this, my Rose? Ooh, it's a little towel. Ooh, look. Candy corns.
Oh, I want this.
Candy corns?
Yeah. Mom, can I have this?
How about that shirt? You liking that shirt?
Yeah.
You got a little apron going on. Buy some shoes?
There's some Halloween props.
You getting Halloween Crocs?
I don't know how to find it. Look at these ears, aren't they cute?
Mm-hmm. No, you need this one.
Oh, the what? What are you saying? That I need to
It's cute.
Is that cute?
Those are cute. Ooh, it's like double-sided. You're going with the pink and black.
Possibly. They're $15.
Is that gonna hurt your feet?
Yes, it will because they don't have like the soft little straps.
Those are gonna hurt, aren't they?
I know. I'm gonna look over there and see. I think they have some tennis shoes sometimes, but I don't think I want to wear tennis shoes all day. Here I go. I'm gonna
Yep.
wear these.
No,
Yep,
I need a size smaller though.
You need the slides.
Oh, I need those.
Oh, you need those.
Mommy, how about these?
I think those are perfect.
Those are
No,
cute.
but look at these. You didn't get the slides.
I got Mickey Crocs.
Those are Crocs.
They're Croc sandals.
Are they comfy?
They're comfy. They're better than I thought.
Are they?
Yeah. They don't
Okay.
have my size though, so I had to get a size bigger.
No,
It's not even open.
not in popcorn holders are either. Aren't they supposed to have a popcorn holder? Like
We'll
a
go
pumpkin?
By Pirates because they always have stuff by
Pirates?
Pirates for
Yeah.
Halloween. And the Haunted Mansion, there has to be Halloween stuff.
All right, so we're trying Haunted Mansion
Yes.
and Pirates.
Yes.
All right. How about Jungle Cruise? Wait. How about Halloween Dole Whip?
Halloween Dole
Yeah.
Whip. We can go and look and see if it's on
You
the
think
menu.
they got it? You think they got it yet?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, there's nothing at the Dole Whip place.
So
No.
I'm striking out.
I know,
So,
right?
Pirates. There should be something near Pirates, right?
Pirates? Yeah. It's Jack Sparrow. Okay, so we didn't find anything Halloween over here, but
Jack Sparrow.
we found Jack Sparrow. How cool is that? So,
I don't see anything.
I know, right?
No, that's not good. I want some haunted treats.
Where's your haunted treats at?
I don't see any haunted treats. I don't even see there's supposed to be a Haunted Mansion popcorn bucket. I don't see it. I don't think they have it yet.
I haven't seen it.
I haven't either.
I've seen a steamboat.
Aww.
Now, is this your favorite ride? Because it's like Halloween themed year round.
Yes, it is. And it's nice and cold in there.
I know, right?
love the air conditioning in there.
I know.
Yeah.
All right, ready to check it out?
I'm ready to go in the Haunted Mansion.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Last chance?
Last chance.
All right, you think it's in here?
I hope so.
Yeah, all right.
Cold weather.
Well, let's look. So not there either.
So I struck out on my Halloween treats. Makes me a little sad, but you know what that means. We get to come back for when they actually do have them. And
then-
hopefully it'll be cooler then too.
And then you can dress up.
And I can dress up for Halloween. Oh, yes. If it would be a little bit cooler, we could dress up for Halloween and get like some of those Halloween donuts or cupcakes or the popcorn bucket. I'd be very, very happy since Mickey's Not So Scary is happening this year. But I think now it's time for dinner on the Jungle Cruise. Okay, so day one is coming to an end. The park is shutting down. We shut down the park. But dinner was so good.
Oh, it was
my
really
God.
good. It was awesome.
I had steak. What did you have?
I had tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken? Was it chicken?
I think so.
Alright, so we are heading back to the hotel and then, I don't know, maybe we'll go to the park tomorrow. We'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go find out.
I think they're staying here.
Oh, we're leaving them here?
Yeah, they're like statues. They're not moving. I'm gonna be a statue.
I don't want to leave. That's usually me though, taking this turn.
I know, right?
Alright, come on!